Hi, I'm Mark Bernard Cruz, and I'll be doing an insight about a food documentary about digital food. Our first question is, what is digital food all about? Digital food involves integrating advanced technology into food production, distribution, and consumption. It leverages innovations such as AI, robotics, data analytics, and 3D printing to improve efficiency, reduce waste, and create novel food solutions. For our second question, we have what are the advantages and disadvantages? For first advantage, we have sustainability. This reduces environmental impact through resource-efficient production methods. Our second advantage is customization. This offers personalized dietary solutions based on individual health. Up next, we have disadvantages. Our first disadvantage is cost and accessibility. High initial investment might limit accessibility, especially in low-income regions. Secondly, we have technological dependency. Over-reliance on technology could be vulnerable to cyber risks. And next question we have, is digital food the answer to food insecurity and sustainability? Digital food shows promise in addressing these challenges. By combining lab-grown foods with AI-driven agriculture, it can optimize resource use and make food production more sustainable. However, it is not a standalone solution. And for our last question we have, will you patronize or support digital food? For me personally, yes, because supporting digital food aligns with the goals of sustainability and innovation. However, it is crucial to ensure it is safe, affordable, and culturally sensitive. Personal support would depend on transparent production processes, regulatory standards, and a balance between technology and tradition practices to retain food cultural essence. I am Mark Bernard Cruz, and thank you for listening.